For problem number 2, Michelle built a triangular garden in her yard as shown in the diagram. The fence that runs from the green section to the onion section is 40 feet. So from here to here, 40 feet, along feet long, and forms 37 degrees with the fence connecting tomatoes and onions. So here are the two sides that form this acute angle 37 degrees. Okay, so this is 37 degrees. And it says about how long is the tomato to onions fence. So this is X. There's a question mark here. These are the two sides. So here's your 90. So over here is the hypotenuse. And remember, the two sides that form the acute angle, one will be hypotenuse, the other one is adjacent. Okay, I need you to determine which trig function that you need to use that involves adjacent and hypotenuse. Finish this problem.